You can attract perfect health with the law of attraction, because with the law of attraction you get whatever to focus your attention on. So, if you are experiencing any type of sickness, whether it is the common cold or a so-called incurable disease, it can be reversed by releasing negative thoughts of the disease and replacing them with positive thoughts of wellness. When a person has consistent negative thoughts, their body will eventually be affected with the manifestation of disease. When you have happy and positive thoughts, disease cannot thrive in your body and you will experience great health and beauty. Stress, anxiety and fearful thoughts breaks down the body's natural immune system and causes disease to manifest in the body. People who live in constant fear of attracting diseases are the ones who manifest them. The body responds to thoughts that are impressed upon it from the subconscious mind. That's why it is important to focus your thoughts on thoughts of positivity, love, happiness, abundance and prosperity to keep your body from ever manifesting disease. If you have already manifested a disease or illness, you will first need to let go of the attention to the problem, because if you continue to focus on it, you will create more of it. For example, a friend of mine had an accident and broke his arm, and whenever someone would ask him about it, he would go into a long story of how bad it is and that the doctor said that it is not healing properly. I advise him to stop telling that story and tell a new story of how great he's doing and that his arm is healing perfectly every day, and in a few weeks he was able to take off his cast. So, as you can see, even with health and law of attraction, you get what you think about and believe, so change your thoughts when it comes to your illness and you will experience miracles. But even when using health and law of attraction, medicine still has its place. Dr. DeMartini from The Secret stated, if you are suffering from an acute situation that can bring death to you, then medicine is a wise thing to do while you experience what the mind is about. So you don't want to negate medicine, because every form of healing has its place. Healing through the mind can work harmoniously with medicine. If pain is involved, then medicine can help to eliminate that pain, which then allow the person to be able to focus with great force on health. With health and law of attraction, thinking perfect health is something anybody can do privately within themselves, no matter what is happening around them. Dr. DeMartini. And with that said, here are some simple ways of how to combine health and law of attraction in order to attract perfect health. Health and law of attraction. 1. Ask for what you want, write or say out loud how you would like your health to be. Or, simply state that I am happy and healthy and my body is perfect in every way. And look at yourself in the mirror and say this affirmation daily. 2. Believe, have faith that your body has already been healed. Because when you ask, it has already been given. You just have to get yourself in the state of belief in order to let it in. 3. Visualize, imagine yourself in perfect health. See yourself doing all the things that the doctor told you that you would never do. 4. Distress, do your best to let go of all of the stressful situations in your life. This is your key to healing. Do things that makes you happy, watch funny movies as laughter is the best medicine. There was a story in movie The Secret about a woman whom was diagnosed with breast cancer. She let go all of the stress in her life and watched nothing but funny movies, and she ended up laughing the cancer right out of her body within 3 months. She also believed and was thankful for her healing before she was actually healed. 5. Be thankful, speak as though you already have been healed. Give thanks for your happy, healthy body. Use affirmations. The affirmations that I use every day is, thank you for my perfect healthy body, and I never get sick with a cold or flu. If I do experience a headache or issues with my digestive system, I will place my hand over wherever the pain may be and say thank for my perfect digestive system, and the food instantly digest. Or, I would say my head is perfect in every way, and in a few minutes my headache would be gone. It works because I believe without a doubt that I will be healed. 6. Joy. Stay in the feeling of joy and happiness. Try not to hang around people who want to focus on your illness. Change the subject or simply let them know that you prefer to remain positive about your situation. Read positive books, listen to motivational CDs daily, and repeat your affirmation as many times as you can in order to keep yourself in that good feeling place. In order to effectively use health and law of attraction, you must follow your joy. When you are joyful, you are following the path of least resistance, which causes your vibration to rise. When your vibration rises, you are letting in what you desire, which is great health and well-being. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more or share to help more people. Thank you so much.